Garden update, June 15th, 2010. This is the hybrid F1 Super Chili. You can see we're getting some maturation on these peppers. Some of them are turning from yellow to red, and that's the fully ripe color. Just going to take a walk around here. This is one large eggplant here. Has lots of flowers on it. No eggplants yet. If you look here, the big Bertha red bell pepper that was green is now maturing to its red color, although it is the only one on there that we have so far. Not sure why that is. There it is. It's pretty though. Next door to that, we still have our herbs here. Our garlic chives seem to be doing just fine. And this big mess of vines that's sort of taking everything else over here is actually cantaloupe. We're going to see if we can get in here and I'll show you this massive piece of fruit that we have down here. Can you see that? Yep, there it is. See, look at the bottom. It's getting those stress marks in typical cantaloupe fashion. Key there is to keep those off the ground, keep them from rotting. I've heard pantyhose are a good option for that. And here are the tomatoes stepping back. As you can see, they're just all over the place. They've grown up over the cages, flopped over the cages, and then kind of come back down the other side. But if we peer in here, you can see we've got some nice pieces of fruit growing in there. This honey and pearl tomato turned out to be very interesting. It's lots of these little small pods like this, these sort of gourd-shaped tomatoes. And there's some here and here. And let's see, this is what they look like as they mature. They actually kind of turn orange, which is pretty crazy. And that is about as big as they get on that tree. But yes, still very interesting. Now the burpy big girl over here has one big, bright, ripening red tomato. If you look right there, you can see it very well. And another little one right here. So this one's also doing well. Suffering from a little bit of blight, which is what this is here. Been doing some reading on the Dirt Doctor about that. I'm working on it. The burpy big boy has still never produced any flowers. There's some blight here, you can see, and also on some of these other leaves. But no flowers and no fruit, so very curious there. Okay, moving right along, the serrano is just going nuts, as usual. You can see peppers all over this bad boy here. And the jalapeno is also doing very well. Let's take a look over here. Got some very big pieces of fruit on that. And down in here is the habanero. Several little peppers on that habanero. You can see there. Going crazy. And be prepared to be shocked. Look at this eggplant. It's massive. Purple. Just beautiful. Crazy looking. Several of those on this tree. Bush. And wrapping it around here to our last tomato, the Creole. You'll notice we've got some nice pieces of fruit on there as well. One here, another very large one there, and hopefully many more to come. I'm going to step back here and let you get a overall shot, and that's going to complete our update for today.